Okay, once you know what to do, these problems really could not be easier because you are essentially saying, I know the ratio, I want to learn the angle that corresponds with that ratio, and so this is what you type on your calculator. You make sure that you are in degrees. If you took batteries out to change them or otherwise rebooted your calculator or something, then you should check it. It should stay in radians, in degrees rather, once you set it. But just verify it, especially if you're getting the wrong numbers. But that's what you do. I know the ratio. I want to find the angle. I do inverse sine of that ratio, which hopefully you know how to do on your calculator. You hit the second button, and then you hit sine, and it'll give you inverse sine, and then you type 5 divided by 19, and you hit equals, and you get 15.257. There you go. D. It says round it to the hundreds. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for cosine. We're going to do the inverse cosine of the ratio. And when we do that, we get 66.42 something something. B. And finally, if we were going to know what the number corresponded with for the tangent of some angle, we wanted to know the angle, we would say inverse tangent of that number. Tangent is the one of the three that is possible to be greater than 1. Okay? So that's just the ratio you can imagine as being 65 over 1, right? Or just 65. You don't have to worry about it specifically. That's the number. You get tangent of 65. I'm sorry, inverse tangent of 65. So you get second tangent 65. And you get 89.118, which rounds to 89.12 D. That's all. Pretty straightforward, right? That's the whole idea. You want to know the angle, you already know the ratio, do the inverse of that function.